everyone, welcome back to another episode of Friday First Cut series. I am Nidhi Manchanda, a certified financial planner and head of training and development at Fintu. In today's video, we will discuss everything about term insurance through a series of questions. So let's get started. Question number 1, what is term insurance? So basically, a term insurance is a pure insurance cover, which means it is not an investment product at all. As the name says, a term insurance will cover you for a particular term. Now this could be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, etc. Important point to note here is that a term plan provides you with a death benefit but no maturity benefit. This means in case the policy holder dies during the tenure of the policy, in that case, the nominees will get the claim amount, that is the sum assured. However, if a person completes the entire term of this term insurance plan, then on maturity, he will not get anything. Question number 2. Why buying a term insurance is important? Well, a term insurance provides the financial protection to your family at the most affordable rates. Can get a large cover at a very low premium. For example, a 30-year-old individual can get a term plan of rupees 1 crore at around 10,000 rupees of annual premium. This will be for a period of 30 years. If the same person buys a traditional insurance policy like an endowment plan, he will end up paying around 60,000 annually for a sum assured of around 6 to 10 lakhs. Plus bonuses. Here the premium is high because you will also get the maturity benefit. But your family will need a huge cover to survive in your absence, like a cover of 1 crore or more. So it cannot be done with a cover of few lakhs. So therefore a term plan is a must. Other type of life insurance policies could be a part of your investment portfolio. Question number 3. Who should buy term insurance? Anybody who is earning and has dependents should definitely have a term insurance. Also, if you have loans, you should have a term plan equivalent to the loan amount so that in case something happens, your family is not burdened to pay huge loans. Question number 4. What is the right time to buy term insurance? Earlier the better. Please note that the premium of the term insurance increases with age. But once you buy a term plan, the premium gets fixed for the entire tenure. So even if currently you do not have dependents, but in near future you will be married and having kids, then it is suggested that you take a term plan now and lock that lower premium for the entire tenure. Because the premium for a 25-year-old will be around 8 to 10,000. On the other hand, for a 35-year-old, it will be around 13 to 15,000 for a 1 crore cover. So make sure that you buy it early. Question number 5. How much term insurance to buy? As a thumb rule, we can suggest that you should have a cover of at least 10 times of your annual income. For example, if your income is around 10 lakhs per annum, you should have a cover of at least 1 crore. To get a more accurate figure, use our Robo Fintu to find out your human life value. Question number 6. What should be the policy term? You must be covered till your retirement age because till the time you are earning, you have your family members who are dependent on your income. May take a cover which goes beyond your retirement age as well, and it will come with an additional cost. Question number 7. What is covered under term insurance plan? All kinds of deaths are covered under the term plan, be it natural death or due to an accident or illness or because of a natural calamity. You can also get some additional benefits with the help of riders. Next question will be, what are riders in the term plan? Well, riders are basically additional benefits that you get at an additional cost. Some of the examples are waiver of premium rider. There could also be an extra payout at the time of accidental death or disability, or payout on the diagnosis of critical illnesses. So you can definitely get these benefits by paying a little extra premium. Next question is, what are the tax benefits of term insurance? The premium paid for a term plan is eligible for a ATC deduction up to a limit of 1,50,000. Also, the amount that the nominees receives on the death of policyholder is fully tax-free under section 1010D. Next question is, can I at least get my premiums back on the completion of the entire tenure? Yes, you can definitely get all your premiums back if you opt for a return of premium option. But this return of premium option will come with a higher premium. Now, the most commonly asked question is, can I take 2 or more term plans? Yes, you can definitely have 2 or more term plans instead of 1, but make sure while buying a new term plan, you disclose all the details of your existing term plans. This will ensure that your total coverage is within your eligibility limit. I hope all your doubts related to term insurance is now clear. If you have more questions, do put it in the comment section. We have also made a video on factors to consider while buying a life insurance. So if you have not checked out that video yet, the link will be in the description box. Also, we are providing our automated financial planning tool, RoboFin2, free of cost for a limited time period. So if you wish to create your financial plan, do click on the link given in the description box. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel.